Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can cut audio on the CapCut app. So first I'm going to open up a video. I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to select on the video, and I will just click on extract audio for now. To split or cut a video, you're just going to go to the part where you want to cut it, and then you're going to click on the audio and then press split. It is that simple, as you can see. For instance, if you want to cut another part of the audio, you can go to that part and then press split, and make sure the line is where you want the where you want the audio to cut, I guess. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!